Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about multi-part upload in AWS S3. It is a feature in AWS which helps you to upload large files by breaking them into smaller parts. As you can see that in the diagram, suppose that I have a 1 terabyte file. It is broken down into 4 chunks, 25% each. Now each part will be uploaded independently. And once all the parts are uploaded, S3 combines them into a single file. So this is how the multi-part upload works. Now let us see the demo. There is one prerequisite for this. You must have WSL installed on your Windows machine. So what you have to do, go to CMD and type here WSL -- install. Once you install it, it will ask for a password. So you just give the password and that's it. After that, what you have to do, go to S3, click on create a bucket. Give your bucket a name. So I am giving the name as multi-part upload 0072. Next, the ACL will be disabled. Block all public access will be enabled. Versioning, make it enable and click on create bucket. Now your bucket is created. Go inside your bucket. The second thing that you need is access keys. So why we need access keys? Access keys are required when you want to access AWS with the CLI. Now you have to search for IAM. Click here. Now in the IAM, you have an option called as security credential. Go to security credential. Now in the access keys, you can click on create access key. Click on understand. Click on create access key. It will give you two things. First is access key. Second is secret access key. Now you can download this detail. Next, this is my location where my data is present. Now I have opened CMD here. Right here, WSL. Next, you have to write clear. Once it is done, you have to install something called as AWS CLI on your WSL. So just follow this command, sudo snap install AWS CLI. It is asking for password, so just give your password. And you can see that in my case, it is already installed. Once it is done, what you have to do, next, I have to configure our secret key and access secret key. For that, you have to write AWS configure, give your secret key. So just copy it from here. Now give your secret access key. Same thing, copy it from here. Now click on enter. Default reason name, enter. Output format, enter. That's it. Once it is done, clear the screen. Now what you have to do, you have to split this file into, let us say I want to split this file into 2 chunks. So I have to use something called as split command. So here, this is the command that you have to use. Split -b, and I want to split it into 200 MB file. Or you can make it as 150, let us say. Once it is done, click on enter. Now here you can see the file is splitted into 2 parts. Next thing, what I have to do is I have to create a multi-part upload API on this bucket. So this is the command that you have to use. So the command is S3 API create multi-part upload, then your bucket name, which is multi-part upload 0072, After that, your file name, which is demo.mp4. Now click on enter. Now once this thing is done, what you have to do, you copy the upload ID. Copy the upload ID and paste it somewhere. So let me just paste it here. Next, what you have to do, you have to upload each part one by one. Now let me copy the first part. So the command is S3 API upload part, then your bucket name, then your key file which is demo.mp4, your part number is 1 and your file name is XAA. Now here you have to paste your upload ID. Now let me paste my upload ID here. It will take some time to upload. Similarly, you have to upload the second part of the file. So you can see that the name of the file is XAB. So what I will do, I will specify the part number is 2 and the name is XAB. Click on enter. Now you can see both the part has been uploaded. If you want to verify, you can use list command. So AWS S3 API list parts. Now here you have to provide your upload ID. Let me copy it here. Now here you can see the part number 1 and the part number 2 is uploaded. Now what you have to do, you just have to copy these etags. Now you have to create a file named as parts.json, which is in this format. Now what you have to do, you have to copy the etag and paste it here. Now let me go to my CLI. So this is my first etag. So let me copy it. And this is my second eTag. Once it is done, save it. The next thing that you have to do is, now you have to complete your multi-part upload. So in order to complete the multi-part upload, you have to concatenate both the file that you have splitted. So the command for this is this. So AWS S3 API complete multi-part upload. Now here you have to provide your upload ID. So you can see that your upload ID is this. Copy it and just paste it here. Once it is done, click on enter. Now you can see it is successfully uploaded. Now if you want to verify, what you have to do, go to S3. Now just refresh this thing and you can see it is uploaded. You can verify the size also. As you can see, the file is 250.4 MB, and if you go here, you can see the file is 250.4 MB. This is how you perform multi-part upload in S3.